As a customer, you do have a little bit of responsibility even after your fence gets installed. It's really important to maintain your fence. If you're doing it right, you can have a fence for up to 30 years. If you're getting a wood fence, it's really ideal to make sure that you stain or seal that fence. For ornamental or metal fences, you really should just be looking for rust spots, making sure that you're noticing any of those items. And if you do, then try to solve that as quick as possible. And then just really easily spraying off your fence. You also might have a little bit of touch-up paint that comes with your fence. If you ever chip or notice any spots in the fence, you can always apply that touch-up paint. With vinyl fencing, it's really simple and it's really easy just to spray off your fence intermittently. That'll keep it super clean and ultimately increase the longevity of your fence. You can always reach out to your Top Rail Fence location. You name it, we've seen it. So reach out to someone at Top Rail Fence and we can make sure that we get your repair taken care of as quickly as we can.